amended.
Audience there.
We now take the oath of office as contained in the schedule of our Constitution. So they say after me. Choose to affirm. You say after me.
He remains.
Yes.
I advancement, well-being, and prosperity of the party and the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And I shall strive to pursue, enhance, and achieve the aims and objectives of the party as contained in the Constitution and the Constitution. But I shall not allow my personal interest to influence my official decisions. And in all circumstances, all the members and all manner of things, according to law without fear affection or evil. I shall not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter who shall be brought to my attention, who shall become known to me as an officer of the party, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties. And I shall devote myself to the service and well-being of the Thank you very much. Our appointed chairman has taken his oath of office, so he hereby confirmed as the substantive chairman from today. Let me make the first time to congratulate the man.
More